where the system is even more integrated. We actually are evolving our thought process to do the development and co-optimization all the way from, if you will, the silicon level, package level, manufacturing level, all the way out to system level. So I'm using this term called a form factor reference design. And what it is a first system that we actually design and bring up. It allows us to prototype electrical, mechanical, and thermal aspects of the design and how the SoC interacts with the system. It's a proxy for an eventual OEM system. It's a starting point that we provide to ODMs and to OEMs that they can then use to do their final and optimized systems. And this is the thing that we use to do our co-optimization on the path to manufacturing. Finally, to deliver the kind of experiences that we've been talking about, software is an even more important element of the solution. And these systems, these form factor reference designs, become an important software development target system for us. And then eventually we go to qual. So these things serve a number of purposes, and we're going to be increasingly doing this kind of thing. You saw today in Paul's keynote two things, and in Paul's keynote it went by very quickly. This is our Medfeld tablet form factor reference design, and we'll show you a little bit more here in just a second. You also saw in Paul's keynote the Medfeld phone form factor reference design. So this is the kind of thing that we use to qualify the SoC and to work with the software developers to get the operating system up, running, and optimized, to do performance analysis, and then to provide as a baseline that OEMs can use to go to production. Hopefully we'll have a little bit more photo time at the end here. But what I want to do is spend a few more minutes with you. I'm going to invite Tejas Desai to join me up here on stage, and Rakesh Goel. Tejas and I'm showing the physical form factor. They actually have some systems that are working. And so we'll give them a moment to take the system through its paces and show you where we are. So Tejas?
Okay. So Steve talked about co-optimization. This is an implementation of the co-optimization he referred to. It's actually a Medfeld tablet, right? Medfeld platform tablet. So that's a 32 nanometer thing, running Android Honeycomb. Okay. And I'm going to start a few apps here that will show you some performance features, right?
So what is the application?
So this application is called Body, and you can see the human body in different forms. Skeletal, muscle is right, and you can rotate it. Works pretty decent. I'm going to go over to some other apps. Pulse, news consumption, media consumption is a big thing. So it's connected to the internet right now, and you can generally go through different.
So see the latest news. If you guys are writing real time,
yeah, maybe it'll show up
yeah,
here,
maybe
right?
it'll show up there.
Yeah. So we have quite a bit of stuff running on this tablet. Like I said, it's alpha software right now, and what we are working on is the optimization part to make sure power, performance, everything is balanced. There are some pictures, and you can see the clarity. Right?
Okay, so you're showing a photo gallery there?
Yeah, it's a photo gallery. This is about 8.9 mm in thickness or thinness, whichever way you want to look at it. And we will optimize all aspects of it and validate all aspects of it. So if there are customers, OEMs, ODMs who want to use this as a base design, they can literally put a product out with minimal investment.
Okay. Hey, thank you. So, world's first Intel-based, x86-based Android tablet, and it involved our software team, our Intel's SSG OS development team, working very carefully and closely with the folks at Google to bring this up and running, right? And then we're going through this optimization phase from alpha, where we are right now, to a future production release. Okay. Now we happen to show you Android today. On our prior project, Oak Trail, we actually showed you Windows running. So you can stay tuned for the next version of Windows on a future tablet, but it's a little bit too early to show you the next version of Windows today. Okay, but stay tuned. Okay, thanks Tejas, and thanks Rakesh. Yeah, okay.